Hi everyone, welcome back to NutriGuide I. I'm Rizka, your go-to guide for all things nutrition. Today we're diving into a sweet and juicy little gem of a fruit, the cherry. Whether you love them fresh, dried, or even in a dessert, cherries are packed with nutrients that do wonders for our health. So let's get into what makes cherries so special. First, let's talk about what's inside a cherry. These tiny fruits are low in calories, only about 50 calories per 100 grams, but they're packed with important vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the key nutrients you'll find in cherries. Vitamin C, great for skin health and immune function. Potassium, helps regulate blood pressure and is good for heart health. Fiber, essential for digestion, helping to keep things moving smoothly. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give cherries their bright red color and are excellent for reducing inflammation. Now, let's talk about some of the amazing health benefits of eating cherries regularly. Cherries contain anthocyanins and potassium, which work together to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Did you know cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin? Melatonin is a hormone that regulates sleep. If you struggle with getting a good night's sleep, a handful of cherries or a glass of tart cherry juice might just help. The antioxidants in cherries, especially anthocyanins, can reduce inflammation and may ease symptoms of arthritis and gout. Some studies have shown that drinking cherry juice or eating cherries can even reduce muscle soreness after exercise. With their high vitamin C content, cherries can boost your immune system, helping you fight off colds, infections, and other illnesses. How to incorporate cherries into your diet. Now that we know how good cherries are for us, let's look at some easy ways to add them into our diet. Fresh snack. Enjoy a handful of fresh cherries as a snack on the go. Cherry smoothie. Blend cherries with yogurt, banana, and a bit of honey for a delicious smoothie. Salads. Add cherries to a green salad for a pop of color and sweetness. They pair well with spinach, nuts, and a bit of cheese. Overnight oats. Mix some cherries into your overnight oats for a tasty, healthy breakfast. Here's a quick cherry fun fact for you. Did you know there are over 1,000 different varieties of cherries? However, only about 20 are grown commercially. They range from sweet to sour, with each type offering a unique flavor and health benefits. I hope you learned something new and are excited to add more of these delicious fruits into your meals. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more nutrition tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to enjoy cherries? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, and keep exploring the power of nature's foods with me.